Go! Get back! It's okay. You're safe now. I've got you, okay? You're not dangerous. You're just scared. Yeah.
Is that dangerous?
Dad, what is it?
It's okay. She's just scared. She's not aggressive.
Be careful. What if it bites you?
It's not aggressive. I found her scared with wolves. Once she feels better, we'll let her go back to her parents.
Look at her. She's feeling better. Stay still. She's the mother. That's her mom. It's okay. We know now. She's our mother.
Came back home.
They're safe for the night. She knew where to go.